Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Notarize for remote identity verification. Complete guide step by step clearly. To begin the authorization process with Notarize for remote identity verification, visit the Notarize website and locate the Get Started button. Click on the button to initiate the setup process. You'll be prompted to create an account if you don't already have one. Enter your email address and choose a strong password. Follow the verification steps sent to your email to confirm your account. Once verified, log into your Notarize account. Navigate to the section for identity verification. Select the option for remote identity verification. Prepare your valid identification documents, such as a driver's license or passport. Upload your documents as instructed on the screen. Follow the on-screen prompts to capture a selfie for facial recognition. Ensure that your camera is well lit and focus on framing your face. Submit your selfie and documents for review. Wait for the system to process your submission. You will receive a notification once your identity is verified. If verification is successful, you will gain access to the remote notarization services. If there are issues, check the provided feedback and follow the steps to correct any problems. Once cleared, you can proceed with your remote notarization process. Remember to keep your identification documents handy for future sessions. This completes the authorization for remote identity verification with Notarize. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.